Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love a good pair of black patent pumps. I don't know why, but I have always just thought they were the cutest, most classical pair of pumps that a woman can have. This pair by WuORWu has totally wowed me. I am in love with these things. I love how dressy they look. They just have a really elegant but very simple look to them. I appreciate how easy and comfortable they are to walk in. I have not had a problem with blisters. How they fit and with the zipper on the back, your foot stays in place really nicely. Across the top of your foot, the pieces have a little bit of elastic, so they hold your foot in place easily while also being very easy to put on. I have loved these with every outfit I have put them on. So as you can see, they're easy to put on and the zipper is on the back. These are a 7.5, which is what I wear, very, very true to size. If you get water or a little bit of mud on them, they are super easy to just wipe off and they are as good as new. These are beautiful, beautiful pumps. They come in several colors if you want more than just their black patent. But for me, that's always the classic that I want. So I definitely feel like these are a great pair of shoes to have in your closet. They look elegant, but they're very simple and very comfortable. And that's my point of view.